Does the Chrome browser cache drive you crazy when you're working on your Joomla site? I think you'll like what I'm about to show you. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Get a free site audit for your Joomla site at mysites.guru. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to the Basic Joomla channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, so if you need someone short-term, long-term, or just for a quick fix, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Okay, let's turn our attention to the screen. We've all been there. We're making changes on our Joomla sites while we're working on them, and something is just stuck in the Chrome cache. And, it's a pain to empty that cache. So here's what you want to do. In Chrome, hit F12 on your keyboard. You'll see down here the Chrome Developer Tool opens up. What you want to do is go to the Network tab, and you'll see here you can disable cache while DevTools is open. So when you're working away in your Joomla site and you want to see it without anything in your browser cache affecting you, just open Chrome DevTools. You don't even have to have it open super far. Just leave it at the bottom. And what you'll be seeing is something that has nothing to do with the browser cache. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.